So I'll be showing you how to archive all your Instagram posts. Now this is going to remove them from your profile, but it's not going to delete those posts. They're just going to be saved in the archive. So what you want to do is tap on the profile icon, and then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right, and then select your activity. Under your activity, just go ahead and scroll until you get to posts. Tap on that, and then this is going to show you all the posts in your Instagram account. And so what you want to do is tap on select, and then go ahead and select all your posts like this. Okay, so just go ahead and select. Might take a while, but it's the only way to do it. There's no select all button. Okay, so once you select all your posts, then you should see the option to archive. Now I've selected 41 already, and if I want to, I can just select archive and tap on archive, and 41 posts are actually going to be sent to the archive. And that is basically how to archive all your posts, or how to bulk archive posts on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.